YouTube. So today I'm bringing to you this look right here, and this is coming from the Misunderstood Palette, the coveted, beautiful, amazing Colourpop Misunderstood Palette. Like, it's gorgeous, and we're going to dig right into it and give you this look. Yo, like, this is beauty. All right, so let's swatch. Really pretty, like ridiculously so. Oh my god. And I'm barely touching these because I'm not good at doing swatches, so this is insane to me. What? Colourpop, I'm gonna need you. Like, are these guys? I'm gonna need them to let me live. Okay, so that's all the colors. What? That is so pretty. Okay, so here, wherever this one, and I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna be a little bold. Take this purple. Do we want to use that? Let's see how it looks. See how that just blended. This is insane. Their stuff is getting better and better, but the prices are staying the same. What? Like, where do you see people?
Swatches on the beat.
So that is it for this video, y'all. Like, this look is insane. Make sure to give your girl a like, a follow, a subscribe. Thank you so much for following me. This is my second video and I'm having a blast doing these videos for you guys. Drop it in the comments if you want me to do a specific palette. I have a lot, most of the Colourpop ones, because I'm obsessed, but just let me know what you like to see. Bye.